There was once upon a time a town not far from a big city. A road ran through, but it was a town of those who wanted to be left alone. It was at this time that a third-string writer of popular fiction named Hal Baltimor drove in on his book signing tour of another of his series of novels about witchcraft.
How's it feel to be the bargain basement Stephen King?
Not too wonderful.
You know, we had a mass murderer a while back. A lot of folks think the town's haunted.
Well, I'm just wrapping it up here in the town, and then I'm gonna be on my way.
You're a mystery writer and you're not interested in mass murder? You come with me right now and take a look at the doozy I got in the morgue. Ah, Jesus. Serial killing appears to be. How'd you like to collaborate on a book about this? You and me.
I want to write something for me, something personal. Does that make any sense? I'm not going to write another witch book, and that's it.
And I'm stuck here trying to come up with magic numbers to make it all work out and put food on the table.
I write because of the incessant financial burdens that hound me. I dream because I'm lost in my own life.
Where did you come from?
Just down the road. You passed me. But you can call me V.
V, that's nice. What's your real name?
Good.
The night was humid. The night was cloudy. Mist descends on Lake the fog.
There was no fog on the lake.
Hey, Bobby, it's Hal Baltimore. I'd like to write that book with you.
Welcome to my office.
You make bat houses.
Yeah, and that's a birdhouse. Totally different. The bats and the birds know which is which.
Well, normally I write about witchcraft, but what are vampires but witches that suck blood?
Have a seat.
Tell me what you got.
Imagine this, written by Hal Baltimore and Bobby LaGrange. Sweet.
Go on.
Clearly it's the work of a serial killer. That Flamingo kid. He's the one that infects them.
Are they evil?
They're all into dark things, every one of them. They worship death.
I want to know the truth. There are consequences. What choice do I have? Tell me all of the story.